Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you, the AOTech new solar lights. These lights are taking the solar lighting game to a whole new level, and we're here to tell you why they're the best. Let's dive right in. The AOTech new solar lights come in a pack of 4, and they are loaded with features that make them stand out. First off, they have 120 LEDs with a light reflector, providing a stunning 270 degrees wide-angle illumination. This means they cover a vast area, making them perfect for lighting up your front door, yard, garage, deck, or any outdoor space. What sets these lights apart is their 3 optional modes. They have a security light mode that activates when it detects motion at night, staying on for 15 seconds and turning off automatically. Then there's the permanent all-night mode, where the lights stay on throughout the night, making sure your surroundings are always well lit. And finally, the smart brightness control mode. These lights stay on all night and become brighter when they detect motion. It's like having a customizable lighting solution right at your fingertips. Speaking of motion detection, these lights are equipped with a sensitive PIR motion inductor. They can detect people up to 26 feet away within an angle of 120 degrees. That's impressive. You'll have peace of mind knowing that any movement around your property won't go unnoticed. Now, let's talk about the heart of these lights, the highly efficient solar panel. It's designed for energy saving with a PET laminated solar panel and LED lights, boasting an impressive 20.5% conversion rate. Plus, they come with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, ensuring they stay powered up even on cloudy days. But that's not all. These lights are built tough with an IP65 waterproof rating, making them resilient against extreme weather conditions. Whether it's rain or shine, these lights will keep shining bright, providing security and illumination. To wrap it up, the AOTech new solar lights are the best solar lights in the market for a reason. With their wide-angle illumination, 3 versatile modes, motion sensor technology, highly efficient solar panel, and durability, they are a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor lighting. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on these AOTech new solar lights and brighten up your outdoor spaces. And remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best.